So yeah, it's not easy being a Kanye fan. But more time I just remember says the most I in control at all times. Kanye seem like a necessary evil sometime. Kanye do so much things in the past year, you're not sure which one is the worst one. But it allowing us to address the mental health issues of artists. Um, it allowing us, it forcing certain racial and cultural topics to the forefront. And yeah, Kanye say him used to suck him cousin dick for years because him get introduced to gay porn. So we need to remember, say you're a young impressionable coffee fan. You love coffee and you're a 13-year-old budding female. And then you see coffee in a video. I never watched the video and I heard about it. Matter of fact, it's just the screenshot alone me watch you know, so I can't manage that. Because I can't unsee things, you know. You see me? Yeah, when I see things, I see them. But the point is, you're a young, impressionable adolescent. Sometimes you even forget certain things happen from very young. But the fact is that people are impressionable. One time Power Rangers was my favorite thing in the world. And to look back on that now just funny. You see me? Ren and Stimpy still stand up though. That shit's still funny. But looking back on Medicine, said me and my brother used to rush home for watch Power Rangers. It's kind of funny. But that's how impressionable the youth are. Whatever you show them, that's what them do. So I think we need to always remember, like the fact say Tijan keep forcing everybody for stay on topic. For everybody stay on topic. You know, so a few years ago the rumor was going around that Coffee got pregnant. True, she started put on weight. And it seemed like it turned out to be not true. But when I heard that, I was like, yeah, that would have saved the whole day if that did happen. You see me? But instead, where it's a protege, like Leela, they give me tickets for go the first one in the first last in time. And I noticed that people was fainting in the crowd. It was like a desert. It was like slightly dystopian. I'm not going to lie. Because I never been at an event and see an artist. Leela was on stage every half an hour saying, yo, let the ambulance people them pass through. People faint over there, so people faint over there. So, and I think they rented the booths very expensive or something, or they didn't have a lot of booths. It's like they had half the amount of food that should have been sold. And it was selling for very expensive, $2,000 for a little plate like this that you might want to eat 2 of them for the night. And the whole walking that they did, because them said them want copy European festival. So apparently at European festival it include like 4 miles of walking. And I don't know if them should have just have a pile of coconuts and somebody just chopping coconuts or something. Man, they make $100 million and people was dropping down left, right, and center. It don't make no sense. But yeah, the point is, this next lasting time now, me have to go here in the streets say, man, I hold up coffee hand in front of everybody, and it's like, Jano, that's where we're at right now. And to tell you the truth, it was an effective trick, and them use some people where, like, people love these people. Like, people love Protege, people love Chronics, people love Kabaka, people love Jesse Ryle, people love these people. So that is who the opposite side I go to first and try use. You see me? So because them know say you use 5 people everybody love, and it's like you subdue everybody. And in reality, that's what we've been facing out here for like a decent amount of time now. I'm not going to lie. People don't even know, so when before they named it the revival, it was called the Jehovah Evil Movement. Because people just noticed, say, Chronix, Empress Sativa, Micah Shamaya, Gideon, one bag of artists just coming out of one place. Kazam Davis was just coming out of one place, and then guess what? The rest of Revival never have a home base at the time. So it was just Bebel and Jehovah Evil did really have a home base, the beginning part. And then now the man them build a home base. It's so far up in a hill. I hear say before you reach Protege Studio, I hear say him can see you from 1 hour before you come in yard. That's where him live. That's the room. I hear say him next door neighbor only leave him house on a helicopter. So that's word in the streets. And the point is, we was the ones who had the studio base. So the optics of it was that all these songs was being recorded at Bebel and Jehovah Evil. And go around, them time the Protege signed to Don Corleone. Protege never have no bass them time then. So, yeah, the whole perception. So I just said that for say, yeah, if Coffee did get pregnant a few years ago, then a lot of this were going on now would be happening. Even though getting pregnant don't mean say you're not shaky, but at least the optics of what is going on. Like, I don't know. Aside from the sexual orientation thing, why do you think that men would want to support women who date women? Like, it just don't make no sense. You see, it don't make no sense. It's like we're going after the same target. Oh, because we both like vagina, that means we're supposed to hang on. That's not how it goes. The way it more really goes is, in the man world, you're competing with other men for women. And that's why you have so much murders over relationships. You see, but the point is, yeah, men fight each other often over women, and I don't think women want to jump into that fight. You see me? So it don't make no sense to me. If you know you can't win something and you still go in the fight, is your fault. So yeah, this whole thing that's going on right now, it's kind of nice it getting purged out. But we just want a quick purging and then we get back to work. Alright, oh.